Hello guys! Yes, so this is our dragon fruit plant. And of course, ito yung feature natin. It's dragon fruit season. So of course, we're gonna steep it in hot water. Yan, ito yung ating sugar, natural sugar. Nilagay natin siya sa tea bag para hindi na siya hassle, di ba? Yes. And look at the drink. You have a very beautiful, nutritious drink in a cup. Yan. Pwede nyo lang lagyan siya actually ng ice, guys, kung gusto nyo ng malamig. So, pwede nyo siyang i-steep until here with hot water hanggang lumabas yung kanyang lasa, pati yung sweetness ng stevia. And after then, i-pour nyo yung ice. Lagyan nyo ng ice. Sa amin, yung usually ginagawa namin, pinalabas ko yung lasa. And after that, refill na lang ng room temperature water. At ayun, retain pa rin yung aroma niya at saka yung sweetness niya. So, wag nyo pong itapon guys kapag ganyan. Pwede nyo kainin actually. Or pwede nyo siyang gawin as infused water throughout the day. Yes. So, yan guys. Every sip, a connection to home.